You know when that hat goes on, Sam, you know what that means, doesn't it, bro?
It's going down.
It's getting busy.
Right.
You ready? You filming?
Yep.
Are we?
What are we filming, cousin?
What we're filming, right, we are going to do the boiled stir fry with
Chicken,
and we're going to do it with
peppers,
and we're going to do it with
bean sprouts,
and
onion,
and
cabbage,
and
chilli,
and
garlic,
and
carrot,
and everything.
and
We're going to
a secret.
a secret is we're going to put a little secret touch in there at the end just to give it that little bit of a kick up your arse.
Little bit of,
Right, so I've got the pan on, Brad.
chicken stir fry. Right, I'll get the chicken cutting.
And shall I start doing some veg?
You should start doing
Why
some
not,
veg.
mate, why not? So we're going to grate our carrot, and then what we'll do, the carrot will just go in with the bean sprouts at the end. So give it a nice crunch.
Right. When you cut your chicken,
Yeah.
you'll slice
You
it
want
like
it
that.
sort of half, not overcooked, but crispy, right?
Crispy.
Beautiful. It's really nice, that. It's really nice. Are you going to season that up, Brad?
I'm going to see. I don't leave the house with that salt and pepper in my back pocket.
Right.
I even season up bricks and blocks when I land. Don't I, Sam?
What do you do?
Does it make them look better?
Makes them look better, especially when I render over it.
Cut that one up here. Right, let's get our peppers. We're going to cut these peppers up. The way I do peppers here is, you know, you've got all that horrible pith and stuff like that inside. If you take the bottom off it, and then what you can do is, you can go round, and you can look inside it, and you can sort of run your knife around it. And what you're doing is, you're not getting as much that horrible pith, because you're going to cut all that off anyway, aren't you? Afterwards. So that's the way I do it. Do you like that?
That's wicked. I didn't even see it, but I knew it was wicked.
You knew it was wicked.
I was concentrating.
Right. Well, what size is it? Okay.
I was concentrating.
I'm going to get these cut up.
What you want to try and do is get them nigh on the same sort of size when you're cutting up, right?
Yeah. So everything cooks then. It's all about timing with a stir fry, isn't it? It's quite a quick dish, so you make sure, like Brad said, everything's cut up similar sort of sizes, and then it's put in the stuff which is obviously going to take longer to cook first, and then the quicker stuff later. That's it. I don't think we're going to use. Yeah, we're going to use all of these colours. Why not? They're here.
Or do you want to use half of each? What do you want to do?
Yeah, I think we use half of each, mate.
A little dish, innit?
Yeah. We've been cooking a little bit of cooking today, haven't we? So
Right, every dish we've cooked has been on
nice
point.
It's been really nice actually. Right, let's get this going. There we go. Nice. That chicken is lovely actually, isn't it?
Nice, isn't it?
Yeah. It's a good chicken. Right. Fresh.
You took that off that carcass, beautiful, Tom. You're making it so easy for me to cut.
I've done it twice today.
I know, but it makes it so easy for me to cut, Tom.
The second time I've done it, I was using the wrong knife really, but...
What I'm going to do now, with that chicken, I'll season it now, a little bit of oil before it goes in the pan.
Oh, you're seasoning it?
Yeah, a little bit of seasoning.
Ah, okay.
Never miss a trick with a little bit of seasoning, people,
Oh,
right?
okay.
It's seasoning.
I didn't think you was going to season because you never really season nothing.
Alright,
Ah, what's that, salt?
that's what you call salt.
Ah, okay.
Time, because I've got dirty hands. Did you grind me some pepper on there?
Oh, certainly can, mate. I certainly can. There we go. Ready? From a height?
From a height.
From a height, like that?
From a height. What's the thing? If you do it a bit higher,
Bit higher.
bit higher,
I can't go much higher, mate.
that's it. Then
Lovely.
it catches it nicely.
Beautiful.
Look at that. Take that to the pan.
What's that, seasoned
This is
chicken?
the seasoned chicken, straight to the pan, preheated. Bosh,
stuff,
you're in
mate.
there. Chicken takes longest to cook, right? So we're in.
Yeah. I'm going to roll this up. This is our cabbage here. I'm just going to roll this up and just to chop it.
When you put it in the pan as well, pull it apart so it goes in single. Because what you tend to do is chuck it all in at once.
Yeah.
And the thing is,
All get stuck together.
it gets stuck together.
All gets stuck together. It takes the heat out of the pan, doesn't it?
It does, it kills the pan heat.
Well, it just kills the heat out of the pan, and what will happen is it just stews, doesn't it?
Exactly. And all the
Stews,
moisture
mate.
comes out of the chicken and it sits in its own moisture and stews itself. And then you don't get the goldenness what you need out of chicken crisp.
Yeah, you might get a nice crisp texture on it, and it's still nice and soft in the middle, will you, bro?
That's what you want.
That's what you want.
That's
mate.
right, son.
Bit of cabbage on there.
Bit of cabbage time.
Bit of cabbage. I'm putting actually all my offcuts on there, but I'll tell you what, we're going to need that, haven't we, for our carrot in there. So I'll get rid of that. I'll start getting rid of that.
You've done a good job on them old veg, mate.
Thank you very much. This
You're welcome, mate.
oh, thank you. Here we go. Right, so
On your hand. Always wash your hands.
thank you very much, Dan. Onion. Should we go for a half onion, I reckon?
I'll have half one, you don't have a carrot.
No, because otherwise you're just going to kill everything else, isn't it? Kill. Onion, I'm just going to crack this onion up.
With that chicken, allow it to just let it fry up now. You want to get a nice crisp golden coating over it all.
Nice. Woohoo!
Oh, little jazz of that, cuz.
Beautiful. Alright.
Little jazz of
That's
that,
good, alright.
You're doing a good job, mate. I ain't gonna interfere. That looks wicked.
Done it.
That looks colourful.
And colours gonna be beautiful.
Is that done with that?
Yeah, I didn't need that one. A bit of chilli. We are going to put in about half of each, you reckon?
Half of each.
About half of each chilli, and we're going to leave the seeds in.
Leave the seeds in. It's only a medium heat chilli anyway.
Yeah, that's how we roll anyway.
Yeah, well, roll. We don't care, you know. We like it hot room way.
Yeah, I'm going to leave it quite chunky as well.
Yeah. Nice.
Right.
Chicken and rice, but that ain't no rice. Chicken and noodle, no
noodles, mate. Chicken and beans,
bean sprout room way.
Garlic. So now, have you got?
Oh, Sanji, have a dig at this, brother.
How's that going, mate?
Have a dig at that.
It's alright.
That is mustard. Colonel custard, I like to say.
Colonel custard. Lovely. Bit of chicken.
Look at that, son.
Chicken feed this week, isn't it?
Beautiful.
Chicken feed, mate, this week.
Chicken feed week.
What we're going to do next week?
Next week, I think we should do another meat, but what? I don't know.
Should we go for lamb next week?
Maybe lamb.
Because we can do lamb koftas.
Oh,
We can do
lamb chops, lamb
steak, minted lamb.
lamb.
I'm going to leave this garlic quite chunky as well, Brad.
I might even pop to Wales to see if lambs talk the same sheep.
They do. What noise does the sheep make? What noise does the lamb make? There you go. See? Did you know that, Sam?
No,
Do you think they talk the same?
Yeah. Oh yeah, they all talk the same.
lambs' voices haven't broken though, so their bars a little bit loud.
You do lamb. There you go. Alright, you win that. 1-0 down.
I'm going to... Have we got any of them? Right. Right, then. How we doing the old chicken?
This don't take long at all. I'm talking 10 minutes, you know, this is pot together. How many minutes are we up to already?
7.5. 7 minutes. 7 minutes.
We've been talking 4 now, haven't we?
Yeah.
So we've got 3, right, 10 minutes, and that is your stir fry. Go in there, boy.
You ready to go?
Go in there, brother.
Oh, yeah.
Go in there.
You ready? Right,
Go in there, brother.
So I'm going to...
Gravity, boy, gravity.
Ready?
In we go. Bosh.
I'm going to go with all of that.
Bosh.
And we're going to give that a minute there, come back up to 10.
Yeah, come back to 10. Yeah.
There we go. Let that go in a minute. I'll start cleaning it down, can't I?
Little bit of oil in there. I believe, Ben. Gravity's your friend, yeah? Gravity's your friend. Drop to the bottom of the pan, flip it. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. But there's no squeeze, no lemon in there yet. We don't want no lemon just yet. Bosh.
What was my hat?
Nothing's wrong with that. People can see your eyes, that's all.
Where?
You want people to see your eyes?
Do it like that.
Show people your eyes. Bosh.
What did you do to my hat, Sam?
No, it was like that.
It was over your head.
Yeah, so I wanted it, Sam.
Oh, you wanted that?
Yeah, I was like, I'm trying to be cool, aren't I?
Gravity is your friend, people.
Yeah.
You know when gravity ain't your friend? When you get to about 60 years of age and you're a woman. Gravity ain't your friend.
Oh.
Well, I'm just saying my mother-in-law and all that. Isn't that right, Ted?
Yeah.
How low does Nanny's boobies hang?
What?
How low does Nanny's boobies hang?
I don't know.
Right. When she walks and knocking her knees, boy. Look at that. In there. Again, here we go, look, here we go.
Go on, mate.
Stir fry.
Go on, mate.
Here we go.
Give it some.
Go on, boy.
Give it some.
Bosh.
Right there.
Bosh.
Bit of that
A
there.
little bit more oil. Succulent, you want to coat everything in there. Salt and pepper, lots of seasoning,
Season it all the way through. All the way
Here
through.
we go, look how easy that is. Bean sprouts are in.
Yes.
We're about 2 minutes away now, 2 to 3 minutes max
How we doing that?
from being done. Look, bosh.
Shake her up, shake her up.
Bosh. Oh, there goes the carrots and all. This is all going on now, Sam.
Yeah.
Look at that, brother.
There we go. Ready?
When you get one of your burger round, Sam, what you need to do, mate? A little bit of a stir fry, a little bit more juice in there, bro.
Are we going to?
Are you going to put the special ingredient
Should we
in?
put a special ingredient in?
I think we do.
I think so, mate. Just moving this stuff over here for a minute. Look at this. We spoke about this a few times now. This is the bald chili sauce. And we can't tell you the ingredients in it because it's a secret.
And we're going to tell it to you later on.
We're going to tell it to you later.
Here we go.
Ready?
This sauce ain't only a dipping sauce, but it's a cooking sauce.
Cooking sauce, marinating sauce.
We've got chicken in the fridge at the moment, marinated in that sauce. Look at that, brother.
Just get
Here we go, look. Bob,
30 seconds.
30 seconds till countdown.
And it's going to be beautiful.
That's it.
Oh, yes.
Eh?
Oh, smell from that now as well. That's lovely. That is beautiful, mate.
What are you saying, Sam?
Smells lovely.
Smells beautiful, doesn't it, Sam?
It does, it smells lovely.
Remember, with the stir fry, you want crunch.
Yes.
Don't want it mushy. That ain't the key. The key is to have crunch.
That's what it's all about, mate. Bit of crunch on there. How you doing? You ready? Huh? You're in there. Bosh. Hey? Woohoo! Stir fry. Stir fry. Look at that. I'm going to have a look. I'm going to show you. Look.
Oh, he's whispering. That means it's good.
Look at that.
When he whispers, it means it's
Come on.
good.
That's Sam.
That's it,
That's
that's it.
Sam.
Lovely.
Tell you what, stir fry.
Oh my God.
Stir fry and a crumb.
Oh my God.
Hey?
Where's the beer? Where's your beer?
Hey? Sam, you getting in that, mate? You going to go on that, mate?
Come over, go, Sam.
I will in a minute.
Well, in a minute. He don't want one, does he? I think he's full up.
Cameraman in. Good?
That's just 5 today. And we ain't put a foot wrong. That is banging.
Until next time. See you later.
Lovely. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful.